Eight Plexus particles effect combo by Goat Edits 1989.
Hickorry Dickory, the cat went up the slug. No, to follow the cat. Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the slug. No, to follow the cat. Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the
Number 1 Plexus particles in scene replica effect.
Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the slug. No, to follow the cat. Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the slug. No, to follow the cat. Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the
Number 2 Plexus particles in VR 360 effect.
Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the slug. No, to follow the cat. Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the slug. No, to follow the cat. Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the
Number 3 Plexus particles in mirror H effect. Number 4 Plexus particles in liquidity effect. Number 5 Plexus particle in quicksilver effect.
Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the slug. To follow the cat. Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the slug. To follow the cat. Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the
Number 6 Plexus particles in swirl 2.0 effect. Number 7 Plexus particles in angle mirror effect.
Hickory Dickory, the cat went up the slug. To follow the cat.